Hello again. My name is Snekato, and let me ask you something. Do you know when to use for loops? If not, let me tell you about it. For loops are definite, meaning that they will repeat over a predefined sequence of values. You can use them when you have a list of strings, like this for example. We have here a list with my friends' names. So I have JoJo, BoJack, and Shrek. So what I want Python to do is that from this list of friends, I want that for each name, like that is JoJo, BoJack, and Shrek, to print hello followed by the name of my friend. For example, hello JoJo, hello BoJack, and hello Shrek. So that's the reason why we write for name in friends, print hello followed by the name. When we finish writing our code, we can ask Python to run it so we can see if it actually does what we ask it to. And in this case, it does. And now let's continue with a funny task. You have to make a loop that gives you the average of the number of your farts per week. So if you're ready, let's start now. So we're going to start by creating a list that contains the number of farts that we had every day for the whole week. So in total, we have to have 7 values inside our list. Since we want to obtain the average farts per week, we need to get the total number of farts and divide it by the total number of days. That's the reason why we are going to create two variables, sum and length, and we are going to initialize them with the value of 0. And now we continue by creating our for loop. So we write, for each value that is located inside our farts list, I want you to change the following variables. We tell Python that the first variable that we want to change is sum by adding each one of the values in our farts list. So we are going to add 1, and then in the next one, we're going to add 2, and in the next loop, we're going to add 3, and so on until we reach the end of our list. The second variable that we want to change is length. What we're going to tell Python to do is to count each item in the list by adding 1 each time it goes through each item. So at the end, we can print the average farts per week followed by the string of sum divided by length. And now that we run our code, we can see our average farts per week. The decision between using for or while loops in your code resides on what you want to do with it. If you have a predefined sequence like a list, you use for loops. And if you have a condition that will stop your loop after being met, use a while loop. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please press the like button and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!